Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see multiple choice question of Indian Contract Act. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see multiple choice question with answer. Question number 1. An agreement becomes a contract when? Answer is option number 4, all of the above, means option number 1, this is some consideration for it. Option number 2, parties are competent to contract. Option number 3, their consent is free and their object is lawful. Question number 2, an agreement enforceable at law is a? Answer is option number 4, contract under section 2H. Question number 3. Offer as defined under section 2A is? Answer is option number 3. Willingness to do or abstain from doing an act in order to abstain the assent of other thereto. Question number 4. Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an? Answer is option number 1, agreement as per section 2E. Question number 5. Which among the following is an offer? Answer is option number 2, a development authority's announcement for making an allotment of plots on first come first served basis on payment of full consideration. Question number 6. Which is correct? Answer is option number 4, all of the above, means option number 1, proposal plus acceptance equal to promise. Option number 2, promise plus consideration equal to agreement. Option number 3, agreement plus enforceability equal to contract. All of the above. Question number 7. Proposal may be. Answer is option number 4, any of the above, means option number 1, implied or express. Option 2, specific. Option 3, generic, any of the above. Question number 8. An offer made without any words spoken or written is? Answer is option number 2, implied offer. Question number 9. Goods displayed in a shop with price tag is an? Answer is option number 2, invitation to offer. Question number 10. Find out the incorrect statement. Answer is option number 4, the party inviting tenders is bound to accept the lowest tender. Question number 11. The communication of acceptance is complete as against the offer. Answer is option number 3, when it is put into transmission and leaves his power to reject when it comes to the knowledge of proposal. Question number 12. Under what provision of the Constitution of India the state acts in its executive power in entering in contracts with individual parties? Answer is option number 2, Article 298. Question number 13. All government contracts made in exercise of the executive power of the Union shall be expressed to be made by the President under? Answer is option number 3, Article 299 of the Constitution of India. Question number 14. Which among the following enforceable? Answer is option number 4, all of the above, means option number 1, if A saves B from drowning and B later promises A reward. Option number 2, A finds B's purse and gives it to him. B promises to give A rupees 50. Option number 3, A supports B's infant son. B promises to pay A's expenses in so doing. All of the above. Question number 15. Find out the wide agreement among the following. Answer is option number 3. A promises for no consideration to give to B rupees 1000. Question number 16. A lunatic person means? Answer is option number 3. Person of unsound mind. Question number 17. A contract with or by minor is a? Answer is option number 2. Void contract. Question number 18. Find out the unenforceable contract among the following. Answer is option number 1. A housing society agreed to sell land before it became a legal person by registration. Question number 19. Consent is said to be free when it is not caused by? Answer is option number 4. All of the above means option number 1 coercion, option number 2 undue influence, option number 3 fraud or misrepresentation. Question number 20 dash does not affect the free consent of the parties. Answer is option number 2 incompetency of parties. Question number 21. Misrepresentation under section 18 means? Answer is option number 4 all of the above means option number 1 a positive assertion in a manner not warranted by the information of the person making it, not true but he believes it to be true. Option 2 any breach of duty which gains an advantage to the person committing it by misleading another to his prejudice. Option 3 causing a party to make an agreement to make a mistake as to the subject matter of contract. All of the above. Question number 22. Under section 2C, promisor is the? Answer is option number 1 person who makes the proposal. Question number 23. An agreement enforceable by law at the instance of one party and not of other party under section 2I is called? Answer is option number 2 voidable contract. Question number 24. Which of the following is valid? Answer is option number 4 all of the above means option 1 compensation for past voluntary services, option 2 a promise to pay time barred debt, option 3 agreement made out of natural love and affection. Question number 25. If the agreement consists of legal and illegal parts and legal part is separable from illegal part, then legal part is? Answer is option number 4 valid. Question number 26. Amount withdrawn from ATM is? Answer is option number 2 tacit contract. Question number 27. Which contract depends upon happening or non-happening of future uncertain event? Answer is option number 4 contingent contract. Question number 28. Dash contract is made without any intention of parties. Answer is option number 2 quasi contract. Question number 29. A promises to pay B a sum of rupees 10,000 if it rains and in return B promises to pay rupees 10,000 to A if it does not rain. It is an dash. Answer is option number 3 varying agreement. Question number 30. PWD refused to release the payment to a contractor unless he gave up his claim for extra rate amounted to? Answer is option number 3 coercion. Question number 31. The term quid pro quo is applied in relation to? Answer is option number 4 consideration. Question number 32. In a mediclaim insurance policy, the insured was forced and pressurized for consent to exclusion of cover for cardiac ailments, the consent being? Answer is option number 3 not lawful. It had no binding effect. Question number 33. A and B being traders enter upon a contract. A has private information of a change in prices which would affect B's willingness to proceed with the contract. Answer is option number 2. A is not bound to inform B. Question number 34. When a person at whose option a contract is voidable rescind it, the consequence would be. Answer is option number 4. Both A and B. Means option 1. The party seeking rescission need not perform and promise. Option 2. The party seeking rescission must restore the benefits that he has obtained under the contract. Question number 35. Consensus ad idem means. Answer is option number 3. An agreement upon the same thing in the same sense. Question number 36. Rescission of contract means. Answer is option number 4. Cancellation of contract with the consent of both parties. Question number 37. Which is the correct statement among the following? Answer is option number 1. Both the parties to an agreement are under mistake as to matter of fact is void. Question number 38. Where one of the parties is under a mistake as to matter of fact, the contract is. Answer is option number 1. Valid. Question number 39. A contract may be discharged. Answer is option number 4. All of the above means option 1 by performance, option 2 by impossibility of performance, option 3 by breach. Question number 40. A, B and C jointly promise to pay D a sum of rupees 3000. C is compelled to pay the whole. A is insolvent, but his assets are sufficient to pay one half of his debt. D is entitled to receive. Answer is option number 3. Rupees 500 from A's estate, rupees 1250 from B and rupees 1250 from C. Question number 41. In a delayed PWD work,
Question number 41. In a delayed PWD work where the time is the essence of the contract, the PWD authority does not have the option of. Answer is option number 3. Unilaterally extend the time without contractor consent. Question number 42. If it was not the intention of the parties that time should be of the essence of the contract, the effect of delay would be. Answer is option number 4. All of the above. Option number 1. The contract does not become voidable. Option number 2. The affected party does not have the right to reject. Option number 3. The affected party may sue the other party for any loss caused by the delay. Question number 43. A contract is made for the import of goods and the import is thereafter forbidden by a government order. It is. Answer is option number 2. An agreement which is impossible by a subsequent event. Question number 44. X owes rupees 15,000 to Y and Y accept rupees 12,000 in full and final settlement of the outstanding due. This is called. Answer is option number 2. Remission. Question number 45. The doctrine of frustration come in the play. Answer is option number 3. Either A or B. Option number 1. Where the performance is physically cut off. Option number 2. Where the object of the contract is failed. Question number 46. Mr. X contracted to sell a specified quantity of potatoes to be grown but failed to supply them as the crop was destroyed by a disease. Identify the specific ground of frustration. Answer is option number 1. Destruction of subject matter. Question number 47. The effect of frustration of a contract is. Answer is option number 3. The dissolution of the contract occurs automatically. Question number 48. The parties
The parties to the contract agree to substitute the existing contract with new contract. This is answer is option number 3, novation. Question number 49. After novation means answer is option number 3. The original is discharged and need not be performed. Question number 50. A breach of contract occurs when a party to a contract. Answer is option number 4. A or B or C. Means option 1 renounces his liability under it. Option 2 makes it impossible that he should perform his obligation under it. Option 3 totally or partially fails to perform the obligation. Question number 51. A builder contracts to erect and finish a house by the 1st of January in order that B may give possession of it at that time to C, to whom B has contracted to let it. A build the house so badly necessitating B to rebuild it. A must make compensation to B. Answer is option number 4. All of the above means option 1 the cost of rebuilding the house. Option 2 for the rent loss. Option 3 and for the compensation made to C. Question number 52. A sum fixed representing a genuine pre-estimate of the probable damage that is likely to result from the breaches. Answer is option number 3, liquidated damages. Question number 53. B holds land in Tanjore on a lease granted by A. The landlord, the revenue payable by A to government being in arrear. His land is advertised for sale by government. B pays to the government the sum due from A. Answer is option number 1. A is bound to make good to B the amount so paid. Question number 54. Find out the incorrect statement special contract with respect to contract of indemnity. Answer is option number 2. All insurance contracts are contracts of indemnity. Question number 55. Which among the following is incorrect with respect to a contract of guarantee? Answer is option number 3. A guarantee without consideration is not void. Question number 56. An agreement to remain unmarried is. Answer is option number 2, void. Question number 57. Which among the following is correct statement? Answer is option number 2. Forbearance to sue on the part of the creditor is a good consideration for a guarantee. Question number 58. Which among the following is incorrect? Answer is option number 3. It is not open to the surety to place a limit upon his liability. Question number 59. Finder of lost goods should dash. Answer is option number 4. All of the above means option 1. Not mix with his own goods. Option 2. Take care of the goods. Option 3. Trace the true owner. Question number 60. Which among the following is not a bellman? Answer is option number 1. Hiring of a bank's locker and storing things in it. Question number 61. It is the duty of finder to return the goods to true owner. Otherwise the finder is guilty of dash. Answer is option number 4. Criminal misappropriation of goods. Question number 62. Which among the following is incorrect? Answer is option number 3. Any kind of personal property, either movable or immovable, can be the subject matter of pledge. Question number 63. The relationship of principal and agent may be created by. Answer is option number 4. A or B or C. Means option 1. Express appointment. Option B. The conduct or situation of the parties. Option 3. Necessity of the case. Question number 64. A quantity of butter consigned with the railway company was delayed in transit owing to a strike, the goods being perishable. Answer is option number 2. Railway company can sell the goods without getting instruction from the owner. Question number 65. Find out the principal has against an agent who fails in his duty. Answer is option number 4. All of the above means option 1 to ask for account and also demand payment of secret profits earned by agent. Option 2 to seek damages for disregard of the terms of agency as also for want of skill and case. Option 3 to resist the claim of the agent for commission and indemnity by the plea that the agent had acted for himself. Question number 66. Which among the following incorrect? Answer is option number 2. The power of government to call for limited tenders confined to existing contractors is not ex facie arbitrary. Question number 67. Is sold goods to B at price of rupees 12,000. Towards payment B gave a post dated check of rupees 12,000. Answer is option number 3. A is not bound to accept the check. Question number 68. Which among the following is incorrect? Answer is option number 3. Certification of breach is not enough in terms of bank guarantee. Question number 69. Quantum merit literally means. Answer is option number 3. As much as is merited. Question number 70. When the aggrieved party does not face any loss, dash, damages can be claimed. Answer is option number 2, nominal. So friends, these are MCQs of Contract Act. Thank you.